can see your eyes staring into mine, but it's a battlefield and you're on another side. You can throw your words sharper than a knife and leave me cold in another house on fire. Lay low and watch the bridges burn. Lay low. What more could I have done? Now you only bring me black roses, and they crumble in the dust when they She told me twice all her good advice, but I couldn't see. I was clouded by your lies. Up in smoke, a vision she foretold. She said stay away, 'cause the boys are warning signs. The bridges burn. Now you only bring me black roses, and they crumble in the dust when they have. Now you only bring me black roses under your spell. And I'm done trying to be broken pieces, and I'm trying to be the one who says I love you dear, but I'm leaving. Now you only bring me black roses, and they crumble in the dust when they